Dahil ang nangyari lang nun ay nagpalit lang naman ng gobyerno, pero imbis na mapabuti napasama pa, hindi ba? So, ako lumaki kasi ako nung panahon ni Cory 'no, na talagang ang hirap-hirap ng buhay, ang brownout, Diyos mio, 9 hours, at least 9 hours per day, walang tubig, walang can you imagine nakatira kami nun malapit sa Malacanang wala kaming tubig. So, dahil nga ang hina-hina ng tubig. So, tapos gano'n din naman kung ano yung binabato nila nun sa panahon ni Marcos Senior, nangyayari din nung panahon ni Cory. So, yun ang pinakamalaking lesson doon 'no, wag kang gagawa ng upheaval o revolusyon dahil gusto mo lamang umagaw ng kapangyarihan. Dapat magrerebolusyong ka dahil gusto mong baguhin ang society. And it must be a full change and transformation and not simply a change of people who will steal and abuse power. I think internationally, no, they are doing a good thing in redeeming their name, no, because they are now aligning with the anti-China sentiments of a lot of Western countries, especially the United States. So now, maybe he would be remembered internationally as the president who took on China. He will no longer, di ba, he will no longer be remembered as the son of the dictator. I think he successfully redeemed himself in that way. But locally speaking, of course, the people have a different view of him. Hindi ba? And nakikita naman natin no, kung ano ang nangyayari sa ating bansa. And 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 sadly, no, the redemption arc is own the redemption arc is not really going towards redemption.